guys, how you doing? Let's say you are not in Kingston and St. Andrew, you're not living in St. Catherine, but you want a shipping company that can still reach you. Here we are. We are your friendly neighborhood shipping company, and if you're not in Kingston, you're not in St. Catherine, we can still reach you. We send your items down with Knoxford Express through our exclusive partnership. Yep guys, after we've shipped the item to Jamaica, we're gonna clear customs for you, bring the item down to Knoxford through our exclusive partnership, send them down in AC comfort. You go down to Knoxford, you just walk with your photo ID and pick up your package. Do you have to pay when you get in the Knoxford Express? Nope, you don't have to pay. Just pick up your package. So guys, listen. Looking for a shipping company, right? You want your items delivered, right? Well, you found us. There's a link here or a link in the description. Go ahead, click on the link, join us today, get some shipping.